It's time to level up your living space. A derelict house stands silent, a relic of the past with its cracked walls, weathered facade, and scattered debris. It's a scene of neglect waiting for a new beginning. But this isn't just another renovation story. A wave of blue futuristic scanning lines sweeps across the old structure, accompanied by a deep digital hum. An AI is analyzing every flaw, every weakness, and every possibility. On-screen text appears heralding the change. Rebuilding with AI. The transformation is about to begin, promising a fusion of technology and design that will redefine the very concept of home. The process starts with an almost magical repair sequence. The cracked walls begin to mend themselves, fractures sealing with a soft, glowing energy that pulses with life. Dust and debris lift from the ground in a mesmerizing slow-motion ballet, dissolving into shimmering particles that vanish into thin air. It's a complete reversal of decay as the house purges its past imperfections. The old foundation isn't just being fixed, it's being prepared for a radical evolution, setting the stage for something entirely new to emerge from the old shell. With the foundation cleared, the true upgrade begins. The building's form starts to shift and reshape, morphing from a traditional silhouette into a masterpiece of modern architecture. Sleek glass panels replace worn-out siding, creating a seamless connection between the interior and the world outside. The geometry becomes clean and sharp, defined by bold minimalist lines. As the structure solidifies, subtle LED outlines trace its new form, and the entire color palette shifts from a dark, gloomy tone to a bright, optimistic white, signaling a new era of style and sophistication. This new home is more than just beautiful, it's intelligent. As the perspective moves closer, glass doors slide open automatically, anticipating movement. Lights flicker on, triggered by motion sensors that follow your path. Floating UI holograms materialize in midair, displaying weather updates and daily schedules. Smart mirrors come to life with personalized information, and the home responds to voice commands, adjusting the ambiance with a simple word. A text overlay confirms the house's new identity: fully smart home. Every element is integrated, creating a living environment that is intuitive and responsive. A smooth gliding camera tour reveals the breathtaking interior. The space is a sanctuary of minimalist luxury, where form and function coexist in perfect harmony. Futuristic furniture with clean, flowing lines populates the rooms, complemented by artistic neon lighting that adds a vibrant, modern glow. Transparent screens serve as dynamic partitions and information hubs, blending technology seamlessly into the decor. This isn't just a house, it's a curated experience, a vision of future living brought to life with impeccable taste. The final scene offers a stunning cinematic reveal. A drone-style shot rotates around the completed house at night. It stands as a beacon of modernity, its architectural lines glowing with integrated LED strips that cut through the darkness. The transformation is complete, a testament to the power of AI to turn decay into design. Big, bold text fills the screen, summarizing the incredible journey. Old, future. Witness the future of home.